Hello viewers, assalamu alaikum warahmatullah. How are you guys? So here I'll on behalf of Mustard BD based with and conversation to all. Hello viewers, I have brought a new video in the channel. This video you can create, share and collaborate on video playlist. Okay, this video I will explain the video into the how to do. Before starting the video, I would like to say to that those who are new to my channel, please subscribe the channel and like, comment, share and another fan circle. Okay, this comment and get motivation in this channel. So I start the video without delay. Stay with me. Okay. This is now hello. Hello friends, today as like to on other favorite YouTube channel, my YouTube channel and channel analyst and channel playlist. Okay, this is sharing like and Spotify the iTunes. You can create a playlist on YouTube. Okay, this is the your channel YouTube, and then this is the my YouTube channel. Okay, this is the to organize the video. You can keep playlist private, make the public, or even share the directly with other. Playlists are useful for many different types of user, and from the individual collecting and taking tech related video, other playlist and useful for many different brand. Okay, YouTube video content, my topics and Mustard BD and my YouTube channel name and your playlist and break up the track and real time, making easier for people for the browser and find the you are looking for us. Okay, to create the playlist on playlist, the new playlist, this is the content of your playlist and content created on your YouTube and playlist, your new playlist and any type of name. This is the my name YouTube channel, this your choice and name choice. Okay, this is the name choice and create, then public or private. Okay, public, private and unlisted. Okay, public and create. Okay, this is the playlist. Okay, this is the playlist is open. Okay, then your video and the other site and existing and other and playlist. Okay, your video add the playlist and the content and any video and link and three option and three icon bar and the great shareable link, then copy, then the video and the three icon bar oblique click, then add video and collaborate and playlist setting, delete playlist and add and video. Okay, add the video and copy and control C control B and copy get shareable video, copy and the other and search option. Okay, this is the your video and automatically then edit video. Okay, edit video, then any another, then another video link, then another video link and then get shareable link, then any type of any option, any process and any add video and copy and paste and the click the add video. Okay, this is the your option. Okay, this is the your create and playlist and create your own YouTube channel, playlist and public, and this is the most viewable YouTube channel. This is the playlist, and end by end video. Okay, this is the video. Go to your playlist and clicking here, clicking account icon bar, then top to right and choosing the YouTube channel and the Creative Studio and Video Manager, the left right and choice in playlist, the click in new playlist and write the choice and whether the private or public. Okay, this is the your own creator and studio and playlist. Then any other playlist, and this is the playlist on automatically, and the two video and only and added the video. Okay, this is the video count 2. This is the any other new playlist is click new playlist and the name, then public or private, then unlist, then the create. Okay, this is the public, then any name, then create. Okay, this is the any types of you choice and any YouTube video and create the on YouTube channel. So friends, no more today. This way, still subscribe my channel, subscribe very quickly and play the bell icon button next to it and stay with us this kind of new video inshallah. Allah Hafiz. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullah.